This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Update the PiWallet app and device firmware so compatibility is guaranteed. Make sure you have either the built-in fingerprint sensor or a supported USB-C reader connected. Back up your seed phrase and set a secure device PIN first, because fingerprint is a convenience layer, not the sole recovery method. Now open PiWallet, go to Security Settings, and tap Add Biometric. You'll see prompts that start the enrollment flow. Follow the on-screen guide to capture the first fingerprint scans. Once in enrollment, position your finger exactly as prompted. The sensor needs multiple partial scans to map ridges properly. You'll repeat placement 4 to 6 times, vary angle and pressure, to build a reliable template. When prompted, give the fingerprint a clear name and restrict it to PiWallet access only so other apps can't use it. After enrollment, exit to Security and Test by locking the wallet and unlocking with that finger. This verifies template integrity and reduces false rejects later. To finish, enable auto lock with a sensible timeout, 30 to 300 seconds, so the fingerprint is used regularly but the wallet still locks when idle. Confirm your offline seed backup is secure. Biometrics are not a recovery method, so keep your PIN and seed safe. If unlocking fails, first clean the sensor and retry. If problems persist, re-enroll the fingerprint. For external readers, check the USB power and OS permissions. If you suspect compromise, disable biometric unlock immediately and restore from your seed to a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.